Tired of guessing what a property is really worth? Let's dive into Propstream and unlock the secrets to finding perfect comps in just a few easy steps. First, enter the property address you are analyzing into Propstream's search bar and hit enter. This will center the map on your subject property and give you a detailed overview. Next, click on the filter button on the left-hand side. It's time to refine our search under property class. Select residential to focus on similar housing types. Then, scroll down to MLS status and choose sold to only show recently sold properties. Now, let's refine our search by drilling down on property characteristics. Enter the number of beds and baths for your subject property. Next, narrow the square footage by entering a range, usually within 200,300 square feet of the target property. Finally, enter a year built range to further refine results. Notice how the map is now showing green markers, indicating sold properties that match our criteria. Review the list of properties to make sure the map has pulled accurate results. Click on each of the green properties to view its details. Pay close attention to the sale date. You want comps sold within the last 612 months. For the most accurate valuation, review the images of the comps to note any stark differences. Once you have identified a few promising comps, select the properties to compare them side by side. Analyze the differences and similarities between the properties. Adjustments to price are made based on features such as pools, garage sizes, and renovations. And that's it. By using these easy steps on Propstream, you can find accurate comps, make informed investment decisions, and negotiate winning deals.